So, Apple's next big launch is approaching, and the iPhone 17 series is already making waves. There will be 4 new versions, but the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are the most anticipated. If you already own an iPhone 16 Pro, you may be thinking whether you should update again so soon. According to the most recent leaks, there are 3 compelling reasons why the iPhone 17 Pro may be worth buying. First up, the cameras. Apple never skips improvements here, and this year's changes sound massive. The front camera, which hasn't changed much in years, is finally receiving an upgrade. All iPhone 17 models are rumored to have a 24-megapixel true-depth selfie camera, which is double the resolution of the 16 Pro's 12-megapixel lens. That means clearer selfies and higher-quality FaceTime calls. On the back, the iPhone 17 Pro receives an even greater boost. The telephoto lens is increasing from 12 to 48 megapixels. With this adjustment, all rear cameras in the Pro series will now be 48 megapixels, which is significant for detail and low-light photography. Furthermore, Apple is expected to add multicam recording to the stock camera app, but it may only be available on the 17 Pro models, offering content creators a compelling reason to upgrade. The second argument is performance. Last year's iPhone 16 Pro was impressive, but the iPhone 17 Pro will take things even farther with the new A19 Pro chip. Exact benchmarks are not yet available, but given the growing relevance of on-device AI, you should expect a considerable increase in speed and efficiency. Apple is also increasing the RAM from 8GB to 12GB, a 50% increase that should improve multitasking and accelerate AI functionalities. Furthermore, cooling changes are expected across the series, ensuring steady performance during vigorous gaming or long 4K video shoots. Then, there's the design. The Pro variants are expected to debut with a completely new design, including a rear camera bar instead of the traditional bump. After years of minor modifications, this is a dramatic shift that gives the iPhone 17 Pro a whole new personality. Apple may also replace titanium with aluminum barely 2 years after introducing titanium in the Pro versions. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.